How to create a Facebook business page. First of all, let's navigate and open the Facebook app on your device and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the three lines at the top right to open the menu page. Here, tap on See All and from here select Pages. You will find the recently visited pages and suggestions as well. But if you want to create a new one, tap on Create at the top left, and from this page select Professional for a business page and then move to the next step. Make sure Create a new page is already selected and then tap on Next. Now enter your business name, then tap Create to start the process. Here choose a category that best describes your business. You can select more than one category and then tap Create at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to add details like about your page, contact info, business location and available hours. Once all is set, tap on Next. Now upload a profile picture and a cover photo that represent your business and tap on Next. Once the business page has been created, go to your professional dashboard to explore monetization options, insights and tools. And that's it. This is how you can create a Facebook business page. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.